guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about three products from one brand और वो सब hair care के product हैं. There is one oil, shampoo, conditioner, and I have washed my hair today with the same shampoo and conditioner, and you guys can see my hair are looking nice and अच्छे से इसमें जो ऑयल होता है वो भी निकल जाता है, स्कैल्प भी अच्छे से क्लीन हो जाता है. एंड आई लव द इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड आई हैव लिटरली स्टॉप्ड मेकिंग माय होममेड ऑयल for maybe like 6 months. I haven't made any oil because all these oils have a lot of good ingredients. Whatever we use at home, all these brands are coming up with better and better hair care products. So I'm going to share with you जो मुझे अभी इस टाइम बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, shampoo and conditioner, and my hair are behaving so good these days. Maybe for 6 months, maybe I think I have no hair fall at all, even though I keep changing my shampoo, conditioner or hair mask, but still touch wood I don't have any hair fall. वो जो product है वो है Acte के, and this is the hair oil. You guys can see red color hair oil. It looks so amazing. The packaging also is really good, and I love the color of this hair oil. And not only that color is good, packaging is good, it does have red onion, fenugreek seed oil, camphor hair, rosemary, argan oil, amla, brahmi, bhringraj extract and hibiscus extract, and this is 100 ml pack. So all the good ingredients are there, and this is for $7.99, and it has 3 years expiry from the date of manufacturing. So 100 ml will last you for I think, if you only use this oil, so might just last you for 6 months maybe. For me, I keep changing my oils, but I really love this oil because it's working. I did make a hole on this so that I don't have to open the whole oil bottle. So that is how I'm using, and I have used it for 3 times now, and I love the way it makes my hair. You guys can see hair are looking nice. जो एक perfect shampoo, conditioner and oil होता है, it's same like that. And सारे जो ingredients हैं they are really good. Red onion है, fenugreek जो हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें भी लगाते हैं, जो हेयर मास्क घर वाले बनाते हैं DIY, तो इसमें वो सब है. हिबिस्कस, आई पर्सनली लाइक हिबिस्कस फॉर हेयर, तो वो भी इसमें है. दैट इज़ वाई आई लव द हेयर ऑयल. एंड उसके अलावा जो दो और प्रोडक्ट हैं वो है शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर. तो packaging is so nice, the color is so different. Mostly shampoos when you don't see this color, so not only the color is nice, product itself is really nice. I love the way something about this shampoo is that it feels like it has made a layer on my hair, and that layer is like really nice, something hydration, and also giving me it feels like almost like I have sunscreen on my hair, so it's going to protect my hair from everything. It gives a really nice texture to my hair. So this is the shampoo. This is the one. It has fenugreek seeds, onion, kalonji and amla. Kalonji is really good for hair. Kalonji packs भी बनाते हैं. Amla we all know, either you drink amla or you use amla in your mehndi or in oil. Amla is really good for your hair. Actually we cannot pick and choose which ingredient is the best ingredient here. And this hair oil is for healthy growth for hair. So all the ingredients are good. I cannot say like kalonji is best or fenugreek is best. All of them are really good, and this nourishes and strengthens your hair roots for smooth, silky and healthy hair. And these are sulfate and paraben free products. So I really do like this shampoo. मेरे ऊपर तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. Other product I have is the conditioner, and this is Acte Complete Hair Defense Detangling Conditioner, and this is really good for detangling your hair, and also it gives the nourishment to hair. I don't use it on the scalp, I just use it on my end, so like from here till the end. So you know, it is working the way a good conditioner should work. So I really am liking it. And you know, one thing about these shampoo and conditioner is I love the fragrance of this conditioner. That is really nice. And the you know, ingredients in this conditioner is also same: fenugreek seeds, onion, kalonji, amla, and this also does the same thing, like nourishes your you know, roots. So this oil, shampoo and conditioner I really am liking. I'm one of those people, I love my hair, and I really have to like my shampoo and conditioner. I've used this brand product once before, I think, and that was, I think, their hair mask, and I really did like that. But for now, because that was long back, for now when I'm using this, this is my go-to shampoo for right now, because I just keep changing my shampoos. And if you guys are looking to change your shampoo, then you guys can look into this also. That's all guys, bye.